I was a very constipated child. Very. By very constipated, I mean I would sit in the toilet for hours. I would take my book, a big book with me, and just sit there and strain and push, try to get the bowel to come out. I would go for days without a bowel movement. I could hold stool in for days on end. It probably tied into me being a somewhat moody child. And so over time, I've learned how to have a healthy gut. Hey there, I'm Dr. Ngozi Okoro, but you can call me Dr. O. I'm a board-certified gastroenterologist, and on this channel, I will help you understand your gut and what it's trying to tell you. Whether you're feeling bloated, backed up, or just plain confused by all the health advice out there, I will break it down in a way that makes sense and actually helps you. Every single week, I will be sharing practical tips, research-based insights, and real talk to help you reconnect with your body, trust your instincts, and feel good from the inside on out. It's possible. And so if you're ready to reset your gut and reclaim your clarity, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Let's get right into it. What did I learn? I learned about water, I learned about fiber, I learned about exercise. What did I learn about water? I learned that I should drink about 90 ounces of water a day. What did I learn about fiber? I learned that I should have about 30 grams of fiber a day. What did I learn about exercise? That I should exercise at least 30 minutes up to 5 days a week. Honestly, when I started doing that, my gut started working much better. But I realized that not everyone can have 90 ounces of water a day, right? You're always going to the bathroom. Maybe you don't have access to the bathroom. Maybe you don't have access to water. Maybe you're really busy. Fiber. Maybe you just don't have all of the stuff, right? You don't have all these vegetables. You just can't do that. And then exercise. Well, you're just really busy and you're really tired and you can't do all that. So what should you do? Here are a couple of pointers. There is something called supplemental fiber. It's kind of like your multivitamin. I can't have enough vitamin C today, and so I get a vitamin C supplement. There's a fiber supplement made just for you. But you have to understand that fiber supplements also come in amounts. And so let me give you an example. Fiber supplements include things like psyllium husk, Benefiber, Citrucel, Metamucil. How much Metamucil, how much fiber is in a tablespoon of Metamucil? If it's a basic tablespoon, it's about 3 grams. If it's a heaped tablespoon, about double that. And so let's say you do 2 heaped tablespoons of Metamucil. That's about 9 to 10 grams of fiber a day. And so it means that you should also try to do your best to get 20 grams in your diet. Let's say you can't do that. There's a laxative created just for you. What is it called? Well, the laxative that most gastroenterologists will recommend is a laxative called Miralax. You probably have some in your cabinet. You've probably seen a commercial. Remember that commercial where the woman has a bowel movement and all the angels are singing? That's Miralax. It's a powder. You mix it in water. The next day, it's very gentle. It works overnight. I tell most of my patients to take it in the evening and so that it works the next day. So for most people with mild to moderate constipation, Miralax will work well. So again, let's reiterate. I used to be a really constipated child, and that's because I wasn't drinking enough water, and I wasn't eating enough fiber, and I wasn't exercising enough. Why wasn't I doing all that? Well, I just didn't know. And so what did I do when I got older? I started drinking more water, exercising more, eating more fiber. What should you do if you cannot do those things? You can get a fiber supplement. You can take a gentle laxative like Miralax. You can't do any of that. You don't know how to do any of that. Shoot me a message and I'll be happy to answer them for you. If this is making sense so far, please go ahead and give this video a quick like and drop a comment if this sounds like you. I read every single one. And if you're learning something new, make sure you subscribe so that you never miss a chance to feel better and think clearer. Thank you so much for watching. If this has helped you understand your gut even a little better, please go ahead and share it with someone else who needs it too. And And remember, your gut is more than just digestion. It's your second brain. And when it's off, everything feels off. You know this is true. So take care of it, trust it, and I'll see you in the very next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Be well.